Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create a Mobirise site from start to finish. We will be going from how to create a header, how to create a pages, and how you can create like amazing landing page, and even how you can create a blog. So let's just start here and I will show you literally everything. So now you want to just add the blog to the page. This is the beginning. You want to start, you can see like menu, header, intro, counters, features, everything you see here. So let's start that we want to add a header. We have a header, perfect. What I recommend is, if you don't know what kind of structure you want for your site, I recommend checking out your competition, what kind of how their site looks, when they have features, when they have contact me, in which position they have, subscribe form, and just really learn from them. So we have this. Then go like, okay, full screen intro. Now, and we will edit everything step by step. Of course, after that, we can go with the features. Then we can like insert some gallery here. Nice. Then again, we can add like some text. Okay. This is okay. Pricing table, I don't think that's necessary right now. This is like some data. Let's find it. Okay. And you can also add this according to fact. Contact form, definitely. We can go with the subscribe form. And then have this follow us. And we will play around it. Also, let's add this one and footers. Voila. So let's just now edit it. So this will go definitely. Nice. And we can see that right now it was really easy. We got perfect site created, perfect landing page created in Mobirise. Now let's go with the header. First, how we can edit it. You can go to block parameters. You can get rid of the logo, show brand name. When you want to change the logo, just click on it, select the image, browse the computer. You can do it and just, I don't know. Let's go to some of my logo I created. Okay, and as you can see, we got logo. We don't need this actually. So now when we have it, we have a logo. It's not pretty, but it's like you can see how it works. You can change the background color, the hamburger color, really simple. Then you got like how we can add the new menu here, or how we can add a page to header. Just click here and just click add item and add item. And you can change this like to blog if you are going to create a blog here. Services again. I don't know, about us. And then you can just change the remove icon. You can change the icon or have it there. Oh, we already have about us. So this is how you can do it. How you can add a drop down menu for the future if you would like. You just click on it and add a sub menu. This is how you can do it. Really simple also. A new item. So we have it now. Then you got like this full screen intro, and you can just easily edit text and everything. It's really lean. It's really simple to use. Why choose us? Again, you can just edit everything. When you click on settings, you can change the top. So you move it a little bit. Perfect. Then you got like a gallery here, again, settings, and you see it here, the gallery. I recommend choosing everything with the same picture because look, I'm going to upload Baby Yoda here, right? And look at this. When I would remove this photo here, you see that the Baby Yoda has different propositions, different resolution, so it's not really good aligned here. Then you get like text here that you would like to edit. Of course, you can edit every background color. You can add video here. Then you get like progress that you can play around it and change this to something else. Got them. So then you get like contact form. Contact form is really simple to use. Also, see name, email, phone, message. Also, this is really limited. Notification, email, action URL. Again, you just edit. This is really limited because you can't really edit the form field. This is kind of unlucky, but it is what it is. So that's how it works. Then future, what our fantastic users say. Again, you can edit it. You can add count items. You can add like 7 of them. Look at this. Linda is cloned. Subscribe form, also really simple. Email, notification, email or URL. Simple. Follow us. Again, settings. How many icons you want. What kind of color of icons you want. What kind of background color you want. And follow us Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Click on it, link icon to your YouTube channel. We got it. Footer, also really simple. So this is how you can create a site. It's really easy. It's like so damn easy that you don't even need to watch this video. Now when you go to the pages and you can create a new page like this and name it blog. We can click on blog here and link it to page blog. Nice. Also about the pages, you can change the page description, etc. In sites, when you're gonna click on settings, you can change the favicon. Then you get optimization, SEO analytics, cookies alert, etc. You want to turn on cookie alerts. Now here you want to click plus. And let's say that we want to go to the header. We can go like full width intro without button. Then I will increase the top here. Really cool. Decrease a little bit of the bottom. Welcome to our blog. Nice. Click here plus. Then I will got like I know, let's find like this here, this here, this here, and these would be our blocks. And how would they look like? And then one thing I don't actually like this about Mobirise is that the structuring is really hard. Like creating structures in Mobirise is hard. So you want to create it. Let's say that this is a page, 10 tips for blogging, right? I would just come here, sites, pages. I would need to create a new page, which would be called 10 tips for blogging, right? Nice. And this would be my blog. So I will just, again, full width intro, and then I will click on articles, and I was starting writing here, whatever. So now when I have it, when I have my article, even when I look on mobile, pretty cool. I would go back to pages, to blog, 10 tips for blogging, on learn more, or I would name it to read here. I would link it to page, 10 tips for blogging, insert link. So right now, let's say that I'm going to home. I would preview it in browser and let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, cool full screen intro. We got the whole perfect page, simple to use. I really recommend looking up for how it looks like, how your competition is doing it, what kind of inspiration you can get from your competition. And then just click blog here. And then you get like 10 tips for blogging, read here, and voila, we got it. So yeah, this is how you can create a site in Mobirise. It was quite simple and quite easy. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.